All right, what's on the bench? This came from the estate of an analog engineer, and obviously this is something he was doing at work. It's something to do with CCDs, and it's a current sink, 1 milliamp per volt, and there's an input. So I guess the input is how many volts, and then this goes to this acts as a current sink for 1 milliamp per volts you put in. Then you can monitor how much current you've got, I guess. If you don't trust the 1 milliamp per volt, I don't know. And then we got plus or minus 12 volts to run the thing. Pretty strange. Ain't gonna do me any good, so let's look inside. So these boxes are great if your company's paying for them. If you're a hobbyist, they're a bit expensive. So let's look inside. It's like a lot of tuna fish in there. Thing's packed in like a sardine, right? Let's see, there's another screw here. And it's not unscrewing, of course. Why won't this come open? Why won't that let loose? Oh, there's one on the top. I missed that one. There we go. Open it up. I got some bypassing on the plus or minus 15. 150 microfarads usually, if I remember that shape of that. Doesn't matter. Yeah, so we got some nice isolated BNCs and this weird circuit board. This is the input. Goes over to there. Okay, let's get rid of this binding post or standoff. There we go. And the output. All right, well, it's all discrete. Interesting. Let's just chop it open. I don't think it really matters if we care what's going on here. We know this is power supply, a bunch of colors, okay. And yeah, no, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. We'll just chop these off. Let's take a look what his favorite transistors are. 3906, 3906, 3904, 3904, 3904, 3904. There you go. He likes 4s and 6s, as I did as well. Yeah. Okay, well, all discrete. Like I said, he was an analog engineer, so he just kind of whipped it together, made a little current sink. These days we would do it with an FET, but yeah, okay. I got a box. A nice box. Like I said, these things are expensive. These are Pomona, right? Pomona make these? Yeah. Pomona makes the good stuff. All right, well, there you go. Not much for this video, but interesting.